How is everyone doing? Welcome to another one of my video. Today I'm preparing pasta and I'm going to cook it with some chicken. From the video you can see the chicken breast that I'm cutting into finger-sized pieces. The reason for this is because I'm going to marinate this using soy sauce, some vinegar, black pepper and salt, and I'm going to fry this using some butter and my iron cast skillet. And after this we are going to take this roasted butter fried chicken and set it aside and move on to boiling some water. And the boiling of water is for the pasta we're about to prepare. I'm going to add some salt. Once the water is boiled, some cooking oil, sprinkle some, and also add my pasta. I'm going to give that pasta about 7 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out. After which I'm going to go ahead on using my sauce pot. I'm going to add some butter. Let your butter melt, and using some flour, some chili flakes, black pepper and some salt, we're going to prepare some white sauce. From the way you're seeing, I've added my butter and flour into the saucepan. After which I'm going to, using my whisk, I'm going to add my milk into this mixture, gradually whisking consistently so that I get rid of any lumps that may come up. After which I'm going to strain my sauce. And the reason why I do that is because using a whisk does not really guarantee complete and total elimination of lumps. So just to get rid of any kind of lumps that may appear, I strain my sauce. And then I put it back on the sauce pot, and using a wooden spoon, I'm going to start adding my seasoning, as I had mentioned earlier. My seasoning being some black pepper, salt to taste, and also some chili flakes, dry chili flakes. And at this point is when I'm going to add my pasta that I had previously boiled, and then we're going to give this a proper mix, and then you're going to serve. And I want to try this out and let me know what you think. It's a very easy, quick to prepare recipe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell, and also like my video and share to other followers so that we can build this platform. Thanks for watching.